Page number 7, first column here. So, Snow and Frost, they invited wind, and wind blew almost till 3 hours and rattling the roofs. And then Selfie Giant, he thought that why spring is not coming to my garden? Probably it is late. Hopefully, the weather will change, and he was still hopeful. But the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruits to rest of the gardens, but still in the giant's garden, there were no fruit. It was still the winter season. And Autumn said, he is very selfish, so I will not give any fruit to his garden. And it was still winter. North wind, hail, frost, and snow, they all enjoyed dancing around. But one fine day, when Giant was lying awake in his bed, he heard a very lovely music. He thought probably it must be some king's musicians, they must be passing by. But then it was a linnet. Linnet is a bird singing outside his window. But it was very long time since he has heard any bird singing in his garden, and it seemed to be very beautiful music to his ears, because from many months only winter season was there, and he heard only wind rattling around, and snow and frost dancing around. So when the bird started singing in his window, he found it very beautiful. So when the birds started singing, the hare also stopped dancing around, and Northwind also ceased roaring, and the delicious perfume of the what of the flowers which has blossomed in his garden, he could smell that. So he thought probably spring has come to his garden at last, and then he jumped out of his bed to look around. And what did he find? Now the important question here: when he heard the birds singing, and he got up from his bed, what did he find? Let's continue. When he looked out his window, he saw that from the little hole of the wall, children they had crept in. They had come inside to his garden, and they were sitting on the branches of the tree, and all the tree branches they were hugging the children, and the trees they were very happy to have the children back to the garden, and they blossomed the flowers, and they were waving their arms. Who are they here? The plants basically. So and the birds they were flying around, and they were twittering is to make sound, and they were very happy. Delight here that they were very happy. Birds, plants, they all were very happy, and they were the flowers they were looking up through the green grass, and they were laughing. Why were they laughing? What were the reason? Because children they have come back to the garden. When Selfish Giant looked around, he found that in the corner of the garden, in the farthest corner, there was a little boy standing next to the tree, and he was not able to climb it. And the branches they were trying their best so that the child would climb the tree. And in that area, north wind it was still blowing, because the tree was not able to have the child on it. And since the child was not able to climb, the child was still busy with the it was still filled with the snow and frost. Seeing the child which was not able to climb the tree, the giant realized. Now, here is the realization. So, question may come: what made the selfish giant realize his mistake? Seeing the child in the farthest corner of his garden, not able to climb the tree. So, seeing the child who was not able to climb the tree, he realized that how selfish he has been. And now that is the reason that spring did not come to his garden, because the children they had moved into his garden. Spring season it has come back, and he decided that he will put the poor little boy on top of the tree. He will help him to climb the tree, and then later on he will knock down the wall. So the two decisions, after realizing it, what were the two decisions? That he will try to put the child on the tree, and second one is that he will try to knock down the wall of his garden, and he would make it as a children's playground forever. And he was sorry for his behavior. So, Selfish Giant, he went downstairs, and then when he went to his garden, seeing Selfish Giant, all the children they ran away from his garden. Only the boy who was standing at the farthest end of the garden, he was still there. When Selfish Giant he reached there, he tried to. His eyes were full of tears, so he could not recognize the giant coming. And then later on, he went there, and then gently picked up the child and put it on the tree. And then what happened? The moment the child sat on the tree broke into the blossom. Instantly, the flowers they bloomed, and the birds they came there and they started singing. The little boy he stretched his two arms and flung around the giant snake because he was happy. He was thank. Now this is the gesture. The little boy is trying to say thank you to little giant. Page number 8. So when the child he was put on the tree by the help of selfish giant, the child was very happy and he showed his gratitude by clinging selfish giant neck, and he kissed him. And seeing that the child was very happy with selfish giant, all the children they came back to the garden and they ran back, and then giant said that it is your garden, little children. I will not. Put you back there. And then he also decided then he will not knock down the wall. And then the people who were moving around the market near his park around at 12 o'clock, they found a giant playing with the children and seeing him very happy. So this is the chapter, the summary of the chapter. In the next class we'll discuss the question answers.